Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button. That way you stay up to date with all of our new content coming out, and it just helps support our channel to make us go a long, long way. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. The activity we are going to be working with today is working with the letter K and making a kite. So K is for kite. The supplies that we will be needing is going to be markers or crayons, a pair of scissors, a Sharpie or a marker, tape and or glue, 2 pieces of paper, 2 pieces of plain white paper, and a pipe cleaner or a string, whatever you want to use for the string of the kite.
We will begin by drawing a big diamond, however big you like to make it for your kite, and then a line directly down the center both directions so you have your 4 triangles. This next part you'll be working with coloring each of the triangles. You can do this with or without your toddler, but you will be picking out 4 different colors. This way we can work with not only the kite, but we can also work with shapes, color, and then eventually we'll be working with matching and putting a puzzle together. So this is all just fun stuff that you can do throughout the activity. From here, you'll be cutting out your diamond shape. I do have my 2 pieces of paper here. That way they are 2 identical kites because, like I said, we will be matching and creating a puzzle. I went ahead and pre-cut my 4 diamonds or my 4 triangles. And then what we will do is that we will place match or create our puzzle piece as many times as we would like. I did go ahead and pre-color code them so that my toddler can easily identify. Lastly, you'll add on your string or pipe cleaner.
Today, we are going to learn the letter K.
Yeah.
K is for kite.
Yeah, we will make a kite.
We're going to make a kite.
Green and orange, blue, yellow.
That's right. And look at what we have here. Oh, that's red. Sorry. Look what we have here. We have yellow and blue and red and green. So
it's green and red, blue, yellow. You just tell me that.
That's right. And so you know what we're going to do?
Yeah.
We're going to match them, and we're going to match it to our kite.
Mama.
Yes?
This goes to a kite.
That's right. We're going to put that at the bottom of the kite, but not yet. We're going to do that last.
Yeah.
Do you know what shape this is?
A triangle.
A triangle. Good job.
Yeah.
And how many triangles do we have?
1,
2,
3, 4.
4. We have 4 triangles. Can you fit the puzzle pieces on the here though? Like where does this yellow one go? Can you match it to the yellow one? Good job. And we're going to actually fully match it like a puzzle, like that.
Mama.
Yeah.
You gotta go on the white.
That's right. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Glue this whole, or put glue on this triangle. Down and up and down and up. Okay, put the glue aside.
We'll put right here while you come and grab it.
Okay, that sounds good. And then, can you help me press this down? There, good job. Push, push, push. Awesome. Then, we need to do the blue. Where does the blue one go?
Gotta go. We gotta glue this.
That's right, we're gonna glue it right here. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What did we just make?
Just make a kite.
Kite. And what letter does kite start with?
A letter K.
Good job. Last thing, we gotta put the kite, the string on it like this, so then we can fly it around. So we're gonna flip this upside down. We're gonna keep this, hold it right there. We're gonna take a piece of tape and we're gonna tape it. Here, I'll do the first tape and then you can do the next tape. Your turn. Can you put this little piece of tape right there for me? You wanna do it? Right there. Good job. Push it on. Yay! So just tape the back of it so it's nice and secure. And now we have a kite. Yeah.
You want to swing around it?
Yeah.
Just lay on that.
Just lay it.